in the previous lecture, we have seen that there are two networks and there are two different networks. One is in the class A, another is from the class B, one is from the 10.10.10.1, another is one is 169.254.21.1. So this is two different networks. So question is this, is it possible to communicate with two different networks with this switch? Because switch is used in the data link layer. So let's check. When we want to communicate from PC3 to PC2, it's so here failed, means we can't communicate. So what we do, if there are two different networks, how we'll communicate? For that, we require one another hardware that work on the network layer, that is called the router. So take one router. So what we do, first we connect, because they are the different devices, so we go to the straight through cable. Just choose the fast Ethernet from the one side. Similarly, choose the fast Ethernet from the other side. Okay. Now here we see that this status is port status is not on. F fast Ethernet 00, fast Ethernet 01. So let go to the config, go to the fast Ethernet 00 and put it on. So here in the command line, it is on now. Okay, no shutdown. So here you can see the signal is green. Now go to fast Ethernet 01, put it on. Here signal will green. The question is this, if we just switch on the port status on, are you able to communicate? Let's check. Can you send the message from PC5 to router? Okay, router 1 is no functional port. Okay, the where is that router 1 is no functional port, because we are not giving any IP address. So let one might be that here is the red. So let's check um, from green. Okay, PC2 to router, are you able to send the no functional port? What is meaning of this? Meaning is this, that there is no IP address of the fast Ethernet. So make the IP address of both the fast Ethernet. So what we will do, here we will write down 10.10.10.0. This is one IP address, and here we will write down 169.254.21.0. Okay, there are two different ID. So we make this IDs. How we'll do this? Go to the router, go to the fast Ethernet, and put this the IP address 169.254.21.0. As you can see here, that this IP address for fast Ethernet 00 having the same member of this network, so it represents this network. Here 10.10.0 represents this network. So network ID should be same. So here go to fast Ethernet 01 and put the 10.10.10.0. So for network ID of the same. So here it represents this network, here is represent this network. So let's check whether still you are able to communicate from PC to router. So here it say failed, but it not show any error. There is no functional port. There is a functional port, but not able to communicate. Why you are not able to communicate? Because the PC5 or PC4 or PC3, any PC don't know what is the gateway address. So we have to write down the gateway address in this PC, so that it know that from which gateway it will communicate with the network, another networks. So let's go to PC5 and look here, gateway is assigned I have already 10.10.0.1. Similarly this. Now again check, are you able to send the data from PC5 to router? Look, successful. We are able to send the data from PC5 to router. Are you send the data from packet from router to any PC? It takes some time. It is error, but it takes some time. Okay, let's do it again. Successful. Okay, it takes some time. So question is this: are you able to, if gateway is assigned, similarly in this side, assign the gateway, go to the PC2, path Ethernet, gateway is this same address. So let's learn, are you able to send the packet from this network to that network? Let's learn from PC3 to PC2. It takes some time. Again do from PC3 to PC2. Okay, it again fail. Let from PC5 to PC1, it again fail. Okay, so it should not be. It takes some time sometime. So let's wait for some minute and after that just move ahead. Okay, everything is fine, correct. Again check from PC3 to PC2, successful. Look, it's successful. From PC5 to PC0. Okay, from PC4 to PC1, successful. Again PC5 to PC0, successful. So all is successful. Go to simulation part, or you go. So look, data is going. Whatever scenario you have taken, data is transferred to the router. Okay, and router to switch, check the IP address, and it move to the particular destination. So there are three packets we have generated. So here you can see how the packets are moving in the network. So from my side, that is all. If you have any query, ask your query. Thanks a lot.
Hope you like the lecture. If you like the lecture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the notification bell icon. This will boost our enthusiasm to do more and in a better way. Give your suggestion and ask your query so that we can improve ourselves. Thanks a lot. Take care.